Social media marketing can sometimes feel like a void that sucks all your time. But don't worry, I got you. Because here, today, right now, I am giving you tips on how to improve your social media marketing for 2019. If you're new here, I'm Jade, and this is my channel, Misskoko, where I help people improve their online presence. And today, we are going into social media marketing. If that sounds like something you're interested in, click the subscribe button because I'm bringing out content just like this every week. Okay, so social media marketing includes all those posts that you create for Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Flickr, Tumblr. There's a lot of them that you're creating content for. Which brings me to my first tip for improving your social media marketing in 2019, and that's to automate that. And there are quite a few options out there for automating your social media that still give you the voice of a human. Post is free. It recycles evergreen content and gives you detailed analytics, so you can see what posts your audience like best. They also have an app, which makes it easy to add content on the run. The free plan allows you to manage up to 3 accounts, as you can see here. So if that's what you currently have, this will be a great option for you. Another commonly mentioned automation tool is Agora Pulse. It also makes it easy to repost evergreen content. With one click, you can find out how successful your posted content is and listen to your audience. It covers a range of apps, and their prices start at $39 a month with 3 profiles. The last one I'm going to mention is Meet Edgar. It is the original automation tool for social media, and it has marketed itself as the perfect reposter with its smart content composer, which you can see on the 3rd dot point here. It comes up with alternative text for your posts with one click. There are a few more options out there, so do your research. Find out what processes you're doing repetitively and find an automation system that works for you. Automation is kind of my thing, and I get really excited when I find a tool that helps me be more efficient with my social media strategy. Which is a nice segue into my second tip, which is to have a social media strategy. Now, I don't mean your style guide or the vibe your content is going to have. No. When developing a social media strategy, I want you to think about these questions. Tell me, why am I going to follow you on social media? What problem are you giving me a solution for? The last thing you just posted? How is it bringing me value? Did I learn something? Did it make me chuckle? Or did it make me think, oh shit, really? And where and how are you going to bring me to your sales pitch? Hot tip here, people go to social media to hang out, not to be continuously sold on products or services, which is why I want you to think about where your sales pitches are in your social media strategy. My last tip for improving your social media in 2019 is to be social. Have some fun with it. It has been proven that we react better to content when there's a bit of emotion in it. So here are some things I want you to do right now that will remind you to be social in your social media. So go get a pen and paper. I can wait. Off you go. Ready? Okay, brilliant. Write these down. Audit your current posts and add 1 emotion word to 10 of them. And well, I don't need to tell you what emotion words are, do I? Post 2 authentic posts about yourself this week, because I think most people can relate to the struggle of getting the family out the door on time on a Monday morning. I want you to set a goal to reply to every @you on social media, because you never know where those conversations may take you. And lastly, make a video. I'm sure you've all heard by now that video is trending. So why not take advantage of that and up your engagement and get noticed? So let's recap. What are the 3 things that will help you improve your social media for 2019? Automate processes. Do some research and find out what processes you do repetitively and find a tool that meets your needs. I personally think Meet Edgar is great for small businesses, but don't take my word for it. I've got a link in the description to Meet Edgar so you can go check it out for yourself. Have a social media strategy. Remember, people use social media to be social. They don't want to be blasted all day with hard sells from the businesses that they follow. So come up with a strategy that focuses on providing value and being friends with your audience, and perhaps take your sales to a different platform like emails. And lastly, be social yourself. Remind people that there is a person behind your business and that you too can get the Monday blues, have Sunday fun days, and every single year get so excited for Museum Selfie Day, because I really do. I love it. It's totally a fun day. So yeah, be social and let a little bit of you shine through. Well, that's it for this video, but I hope you have subscribed, because I'll be doing a couple more videos like this where I cover email marketing and video marketing tips for 2019. So I hope to see you there. Remember to always be curious and DFTBA.